In this video, I'll show you how to use the ElevenLabs API in 2026. The ElevenLabs API allows developers to connect ElevenLabs features with their own applications, websites, tools, and automated workflows. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your account, go to the Developer, API, or Account Settings area where API access and API keys are available. Before using the API, make sure you understand which features and models are available with your current account and plan. Next, create or access an API key. Treat your API key like a password and never share it publicly or place it directly inside client-side code. Now choose the ElevenLabs API feature you want to use. For example, you can work with text-to-speech to generate audio from written text. You can use the API from a programming language or development environment that supports HTTP requests. Your application sends a request to the appropriate ElevenLabs API endpoint, along with the required authentication and input parameters. For a text-to-speech request, you generally provide the text you want to convert into speech and specify the voice or other required options. After sending the request, the API processes your input and returns the generated result according to the endpoint you are using. If you're testing the API for the first time, start with a small request. Check the response and make sure your authentication, endpoint, parameters, and request format are correct. If you receive an error, carefully review the API response and check your API key, request format, account permissions, and usage limits. Once everything is working, you can integrate the API into your own application or workflow. For example, you could use it to automatically generate narration, create audio content, or add AI voice features to a software project. Always keep your API credentials secure and monitor your